Hi, I'm from FILPAL. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the Connect feature of our Touchstone Viewer. FILPAL Touchstone Viewer is a free-to-download application which you can find it on our website filpal.com or on Microsoft Store. FILPAL Touchstone Viewer has two main features for importing SMP file. One is to import directly from a file, and two is to import from a VNA. For this video, I will be focusing on the second feature, which we name it as Connect feature. Before I launch the application, we connect the computer to a VNA using Ethernet or USB cable. For this demo, we are using TCP/IP connection, so I will showcase using an Ethernet cable. Take an Ethernet cable, plug it into the computer. On the other side, connect the cable to the VNA. Now, launch the Touchstone Viewer application. On the application, go to the top left corner, open the Connect window. In the first column, you can select the VNA model. As you can see, our application covers multiple VNA models from different manufacturers. In this case, I'm using R&S ZVA 40GB series. We can select either a TCP/IP connection or a USB connection. TCP/IP require an IP address from the VNA, whereas USB connection does not require any address. To obtain the VNA IP address, go to the VNA interface, go to the Start menu, open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type in ipconfig. The IP address is shown here. Enter this IP address into Touchstone Viewer. Most of the VNA model are able to get the IP address by using the command prompt. If you are not able to get it using this method, you can always refer to your VNA's user manual to understand the steps and obtain the IP address. Now, select Visa as API protocol. Most of the VNAs support the Visa protocol. Before proceeding to the SMP file setup, this test button is able to test the VNA connection. It will take some time to establish the connection. If it fails, check the previous setting. Make sure it is correct. After the connection is successful, set up the SMP setting. Select a S2P file. The characteristic impedance is 50 ohm. The start and stop of the samples are from 10 MHz until 9 GHz. The inputs support prefixes like giga, mega, and kilo. For sweep points, let's use 401. We keep the resolution bandwidth as default. By having this feature, we can set up the configuration easily without pressing many buttons on the VNA. On a side note, the VNA features must be compatible with this setting. What I mean is, you cannot expect a 2-port 6 GHz VNA to be able to measure a 4-port 60 GHz SMP file. Also, the calibration of the VNA has to be done before you click the Import SMP button. Once everything is ready, click on the SMP button. Wait for the VNA to run. You can see the trace is switching between phase and linear magnitude for every S parameters. After this is done, we can save the capture S2P file into a directory. The result will then be displayed automatically on the chart area. We can then switch the parameter for the post-analysis. You can also export the result as an image file or Excel sheet. Of course, our Touchstone Viewer also supports opening multiple SMP files from different sources. For more information, you can refer to our help manual here. Click the Help button here to download our help manual. Our help file contains instructions for our plotting features and more detailed explanations on the Connect feature. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. You can email us at support@filpal.com if you face any problem in the Connect feature. Also let us know if you want to know more about the USB and socket connection. That's it for today. See you next time.